Hi friends, today we are going to discussing the Python reservoirs, or we can call as keywords. Keywords or reservoirs plays an important role in the Python application development or Python coding. Keyword, Python keyword plays a important role in the application development or coding. Second one, there are 35 keywords, reservoirs present in the Python programming language. How to know the reservoirs or keywords in the Python? Know the reservoirs or keywords in the Python programming language. First one, I will write one script called import keyword module print keyword.kw list. Import keyword print keyword dot kw list. Using this module, we can retrieve all the reservoirs or keywords Python test.py. I want to know count also. Kw list length of length of Python test.py. Copy this output. I'm going to pasting here. There are note is there. Note. First point. All keywords are keywords are reserved words are present in the Python are alphabets only. Alphabets only. It may be lowercase alphabets or uppercase alphabets. Second point. Like example is true, sorry, true, comma, false, comma, none, comma, while, comma, for, comma, if, comma, else, comma, elif, comma, return, comma, try, except, with, import. These all are etc. These all are keywords. It may be it contains lowercase or uppercase alphabets. Contains only lowercase and uppercase alphabets only. Second point, except three are three keywords remaining all are lowercase lowercase these are lowercase alphabets only. Except three means true, false, none. These except these three remaining all are lowercase alphabets only. Python Python reserved words does not contains the switch or do while do while statements. In Java we have switch and do while statements, but in Python does not contain switch and do while statements. Python reservoirs does not contains does not contains primitive data types like primitive data types like data types like int, float, long, boolean, like char, these type of data types, etc. Data types does not contain Python reservoirs does not contain primitive data types like int, float, long, boolean, this type of data types. In Java, we have int, float, long, boolean character in that in reservoirs, but in Python it does not contain int, float, boolean. Because of that, Python is a dynamically programming language. Due to the dynamically typed programming language, it we no need to assign that no need to assign or initial assign that int or data types in the variable declaration. That's why we have the concept of data types, but there is no we no need to assign the data types explicitly in the variable declaration. One syntax called data types. Syntax of data types or variable declaration. Syntax of variable declaration. We will see example of Java. Java is Java like int variable declaration of Java. This is int int num equals to 10. Semicolon is must and should. In Python, num sorry in Python number equals to 100. Suppose there is a this is also optional semicolon also. Here int is a data type. Here we have to explicitly write the data type, but in Python, no need to write the data type explicitly. Why? Because of in internally Python software is taken care by the data type assignation. If we assign that number like 100 is and we can assign that 100 is the number to the variable number 100 to the variable name number, it automatically takes and it recognizes that automatically it is a number type. If you want to know that what type of that number is, simply give the type of number. Once we have to see that this program, if we are going to assign that number equals to 100 or 1000, on to print number and Want to print type of number. Want to execute this one. CLS Python test.py. It will give 100 and int. If you another want to see that one more means uh, name equals to some James. Print name comma print type of name. It automatically takes internally. In software, automatically takes internally. If we give that and save this one, is a indentation problem, I think so. Sorry friends, there is a indentation problem. That's why we got this error. Indentation error. The previous example is we got the indentation error means there is indentation problem. Here once again CLS Python test.py. James class is str. Class means here data type only. Here belongs to str. Str means string. Is string. This this one is int. Belongs to int class. It belongs to str class. That's all friends. Thank you.